violins. This is the violin 1 part to Appalachian Hymn by Soon Hee Newbold. And most important thing to remember in this piece to make it more musical, for us to have a more successful performance, is to remember this bow stroke, the articulation, the style of the piece. So just like I played for you in class from Cold Mountain, the Going Home, the actual Appalachian Hymn, because that story takes place in the Appalachian Mountains, remembering this kind of detached feel between the notes. It's not a perfect translation, but the best bow stroke that we can apply to this piece is what's called martelé bow stroke, where we have a little click of the string at the beginning of the stroke, and then we let the weight out of the bow, and then the bow kind of that comes to a rest, but all right, in this way, because we don't want this. If you'll go and listen, I'll post a link here in the description and on Google Classroom to the FJH Music website so that you can go listen to the professional recording of the Appalachian Hymn. And you'll hear this kind of style in the playing, this kind of subtle separation between the notes. It's not staccato, it's not that kind of separation. Like I said, martelé is about the best description we can give to this bow stroke. Alright, a little space in between the notes. Also remembering that when we want to create the pianos, the softer dynamics, all right, that we do so, and we've talked about this a lot this year, is getting closer to the fingerboard, all right, rolling the bow, all right, so that we can still move the bow, all right, have plenty of bow. So that we can have a vibrant sound while we're playing piano, because we don't want this. That's getting all of the dynamic from the arm weight, all right? We want to use our contact point, all right? Use our bow speed, all right, all that arm weight to change the dynamics, okay?